Is it the right time to buy or sell Uber stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Uber. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 7, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our recently launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Uber as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Despite our expectations, Uber has actually outperformed, showing a gain of 7.4% since our initial recommendation to buy it just 4 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has been returning 1.85% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the latest developments, we are currently unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has broken out of its wide and horizontal trend, indicating the possibility of swift and strong movements. This type of breakout often presents a second chance opportunity to enter the market at around $48.54. However, it is crucial to consider the volume along with the price, as false breakouts may occur, causing the stock to revert back to its previous horizontal trend. Based on the rectangle formation theory, it is predicted that the stock may reach $56.54 within the next 3 months. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 1.26% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 19.81% and minus 3.99%. Moreover, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 71.86% change over the next year, with a potential return between 42.42% and 92.85%. This indicates a price range of $71.10 to $96.27 after 12 months. Our latest update for Uber brings good news. The stock price experienced a green day on Tuesday, gaining 3.7%. On the last trading day, the Uber stock price rose from $48.14 to $49.92, marking a 3.7% increase. This positive trend has continued for 8 consecutive days. While it is uncommon for stocks to gain for such an extended period, it's important to note that occasional dips are expected. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $46.68 and a high of $50.04, representing a 7.2% fluctuation. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 8 instances, resulting in a 12.97% increase over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume has also increased alongside the price, which is a promising technical indicator. In total, 51 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 79 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $3.92 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $50.04, while the lowest price was $23.90. Currently, the stock price is 0.24%, or $0.120, below the 52-week high and 22.06%, or $14.13, below the all-time high on February 11, 2021, when it reached $64.05. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Uber. On Tuesday, November 7, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave Uber a buy grade with a hold action. Also on Tuesday, November 7, 2023, Seaport Global gave Uber a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, November 3, 2023, KeyBank gave Uber an overweight grade with an upgrade action. Moving back to Wednesday, September 27, 2023, Needham gave Uber a buy grade with a hold action. And finally, on Wednesday, August 2, 2023, Wolfe Research gave Uber an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Uber stock a strong buy rating overall. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Uber stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate buy signals for Uber, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In case of corrections downward, there will be support from the lines at $46.02 and $44.77. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, October 26, 2023, and since then, the stock has risen by 22.9%. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, and the volume is rising along with the price. These are considered to be good technical signals. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence has given a buy signal. The pivots indicator also gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator showed a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Uber. When it comes to support, the stock currently finds support just below today's level at $46.55 and $46.51. Support levels are important because if they are broken, it often leads to further downward movement. In this case, if the $46.55 support is broken, the next support levels to watch out for are at $46.51 and $44.60. Now, let's discuss the risk involved in trading this stock. Uber has average movements during the day, which means its price can fluctuate. However, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. This means that while there is some risk, it is not excessively high. To give you an idea of the stock's recent volatility, let's look at its movements. In the last day, the stock moved $3.36 between its high and low points, which is equivalent to a 7.2% change. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.68%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Uber, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company either has negative earnings or is experiencing losses. It's not uncommon for established companies to face downturns due to various external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios could indicate inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now, let's move on to some recent developments. The upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023 is scheduled for November 7, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings are at $0.130. These figures can have a significant impact on stock prices, so it's worth keeping an eye on them. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Uber. There are no significant resistance levels based on accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock may experience a rapid upward movement under favorable conditions. This presents an opportunity to enter a position and utilize volume indicators to determine the optimal exit point. On the downside, Uber's first support level is at $46.55. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The consensus rating for Uber from multiple analysts is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On October 30, 2023, Ceremony Glenn purchased 33,348 shares of restricted stock units. On October 16, 2023, Thane John A. bought 488 shares of common stock. On October 16, 2023, Thane John A. sold 488 shares of restricted stock units. On October 16, 2023, Chai Nelson acquired 1,086 shares of common stock. Also on October 16, 2023, Chai Nelson purchased 3,457 shares of common stock. Considering the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio stands at 2.476, indicating a positive trend. In total, insiders bought 101,214 shares and sold 97,104 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting your stop loss at $48.16, which represents a decrease of 3.52%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Furthermore, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom that was identified 8 days ago. Is Uber stock a good buy? While Uber holds several positive signals, we believe it may not be enough to consider it a buy candidate. Instead, we recommend holding or accumulating this position and waiting for further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 8, we anticipate Uber to open down by $1.04 and start trading at $48.88. Before we begin, it's important to keep in mind that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that the information provided on StockInvest.us is not a sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we want to discuss the current view of a particular stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading insights. We hope you have a successful trading day and enjoy the rest of your day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.